Her name is Robin Dessert. And she has been waiting for her cue for a long time. She asked me like, which cue I am. I said, I don't know. But finally, she's the last one. But until now, she still gives me the biggest and sweetest smile. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Dean of the International School of Portage College, Robin Dessert on stage ขอเสียงปรบมือต้อนรับคุณ Robin. You see, everyone who meets her will smile for her. So,
of course.
Why you want me to stay here, remain on stage?
Because I have
Give
some
me the
questions
reason.
for you.
For sure.
Okay.
Any question.
Okay, so I live in the middle of basically farmland and forest. And first question, what do you think, what kind of animal do I have at my farm?
What kind of animal do you have at your farm?
Yep.
The bison is too big for you.
Oh, I did have
too
bison.
Big.
I
Really?
did, but not right now. So
Yeah.
try again.
A duck.
Too small.
Too small?
I'll give you a hint. You can ride it.
I can ride on it.
Yeah. It eats
Can
hay.
Sorry?
It eats hay, and you
It
can ride on
eats
it.
hay,
And you
oh.
put a saddle on it.
Oh, very easy. A horse.
Oh, yes. So I have about 100 horses at any one time.
You
and-
have 100 horses in your farm.
Quite often.
Oh my God.
And we do rodeo. Do you know what rodeo is?
Rodeo, yeah, I know.
Right?
Just like you have to hold on
Yes. Okay.
on the back of the horse
That's
as
right.
long as you can.
That's right.
You can do it?
Well, sometimes.
Sometimes. How long can you hold on to
Well,
the
you're
horse?
supposed to hold on for 8 seconds. 8 seconds. Yeah.
I can feel the pain. 8 seconds, 1 second pain, 2
Yeah.
second pain, 3 seconds.
Oh, it's-
my God, you have to
it's
hold
so
on to
much
it like
fun.
8 seconds.
So
Rodeo.
So now what I'm going to do is we're going to do the official rodeo communication. Are you ready? So I'm going to say howdy.
Howdy.
And you're going to say yeah. Okay, ready? Everybody?
Okay.
So
This
I'm
is
gonna
hard.
say-
This
I'm
is
gonna
hard.
say howdy.
Okay.
And you're going to say,
Hee-haw.
oh, there it is. Okay. Howdy.
Hee-haw.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Thank
That
you.
is
Thank
Alberta.
you.
That's Alberta for you. That's where we're from. Alberta.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, in Alberta.
Yeah.
People always greeting another
Howdy.
like this. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
At the rodeo.
At a rodeo. So like the local people.
Yep.
Who raise the horse and grow up with the horse.
Yep.
Farm people.
That's right.
Okay. We'll say
Yeehaw.
howdy.
Yeehaw.
Yeehaw. Okay. You're right. Okay, one more
Thank
time.
you.
Howdy.
Yeehaw.
So good. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you for teaching me this. Okay.
I thought I was last, so I might as well have some fun. So thank you
It's
so
so
much
fun.
for
Thank you
staying
very
on the
much.
stage
And
with
someday
me.
I wish I have a chance to join the real rodeo
Oh,
activity
I
in
hope
your
so.
farm.
Yes.
In your farm. Okay.
Yes.
You still have like 100 horse
Well,
right
sometimes.
now. Okay,
Depends.
sometimes. And how about this time?
Well, we have
Of the
probably
year.
a little less right now. But
A little
depends
less.
on the time of the year.
How many?
I don't know.
Like this time of
I
the
don't
year?
keep count. There's
6.
so many.
60, 70, 60?
It depends.
It depends.
And we have a
Okay.
mechanical one too.
It's sorry.
A mechanical bull.
You mechanical bull.
A mechanical one. Oh,
The
so you can
mechanical
practice.
one. Okay.
Yes.
I'll be there.
Okay.
And witness
we'll put you on
with
a
my own
mechanical
eyes.
bull. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
And now the stage.
Portage College.
The stage is yours, Robin. ขอเสียง
Thank
ปรบมือให้
you.
กับ Robin Dessert.
Oh,
No.
do we do the question now? I'll do it after my.
We can do it later. We can do it
Okay.
later.
So Portage College, this is our logo, and not usually do we have a canoe, but we have a canoe on our logo today, and that's so that I can explain what portage means. So portage is a French word, and it means that you take your canoe from the one lake and you put it on your head and you walk to the next lake and you put your canoe in the water. And that's what Portage College does for our students. So we help our students go from one part of their life and we help walk them through the journey to the next part of their life. And that's what we really hold dear, is helping our students become the people that they've been dreaming of. So this is our logo, and we are really proud to be here. So thank you for inviting us. Thank you, thank you. And so this is our mascot. So our mascot is Eddie Rocks. And he rocks. He wears a canoe all day long. He cheers on our students, whether they're on the hockey rink or whether they're in the classroom. Eddie Rocks is a symbol of Portage College. And he is ready to welcome students from all over the world. And you can see that he is an adventurer. And that really is Portage. We need students who want to have an adventure, because we aren't your typical school. We are located in northern Alberta, which is not your average city. So we're talking about small places, and we are fairly small. In terms of our country, Canada is huge. Alberta is in blue. If you zoom in, we're the little piece of blue within the blue. But again, this is a huge piece of land, but only about 65,000 people live in the entire piece of land. So we are very, very full of things like the Northern Lights. So 2 days ago, my son sent pictures of the Northern Lights, and it was amazing. And the reason why we can see the Northern Lights is because we don't have city lights. They don't block out the sky. So it's full of stars. We have beautiful campuses, so that's our Cold Lake campus, and we have amazing housing for our students. And we know that that's really important for parents to know that they're sending their student or their child somewhere safe, in really nice housing, in a place where they will have a true Canadian experience. So I didn't provide a list of all of our programs because I know that you can go on the website and you can look them up, and we have your traditional certificates and diplomas. But what I wanted to show you was our students that are in the program. So we have nursing students, we have students that are running equipment, we have hairstyling, we have, again, environmental. We've got all the types of programs that you're probably looking for when you think about a college. But what we do really well is we get students to work, or we help them get into a degree program. So I just wanted to show that we have lots of students and lots of programs, and there's lots of variety. And here are 3 of the students that I wanted to really showcase and talk about how we really love our international students. So we have Peter, who is, you wouldn't believe the energy of Peter. When you come into the St. Paul campus, Peter almost welcomes you at the door. He is amazing. He's in our practical nurse program, and you can see his quote there. I love the place, the town, the setting, everybody. I just wanted to come to a small town and grow with them. That's Peter. The next student, Trisha. She's a practical nurse student. She says, and she's in our Cold Lake campus. The thing I love about Portage College is the diversity. Everyone smiles at you, and everyone is so friendly. And we do smile a lot. I heard you smile a lot here too. Is that part? Is smiling? There's lots of smiling? Yeah. And the last one, we have Daniel from the Netherlands. He's a social work student. He's in our Lac La Biche campus. And he says, I like being able to see all the big animals. I haven't seen a moose yet, but I would like to see one. We do not get to see those at home, and I would like to go to an Oilers game, which is our big hockey club in Edmonton. So we have lots of wildlife, lots of really cool things that you can see on a daily basis. Generally, I see a deer a day. I often see bears. They're coming in our yard, and we also have lots of moose. So we are a very nature-driven location. And I think that's it. I had one more slide, but I think it's gone. Woo! See, now they're like, it's the end of the show. So there, I had one more slide, but it's gone. But if you are interested at all, please come to my table. I've got my business card.